Hello! This is today's look. Pink and pretty. Let's do this and talk side by side. Okay. My face is ready. I think I'm getting better. Every week doing this makeup thing, just like improving my makeup skills. It feels nice. I'm gonna do a Barbie kind of look today. Actually, I'm doing this because I'm making a TikTok. I'm not like a very TikTok kind of person. I just started doing it and then it's fun. And I came across this TikTok where it's like the Barbie girl song, and it's very nice, very interesting. You have to do 2 looks and I will post it. The next video will be about that. It's so fun! And I'm doing that. So I thought I might as well show you the look, how I do the look. Let's do the pink Barbie look. I'm using Morphe 39S. Literally, it's all different shades of pink and purple and gold. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna do like pink glitter here on the beginning of the eyelid, pink at the bottom, more like silver here. In the beginning, I will use this pink glitter shade. To blend, I'll be using this and this, maybe a little bit of this, I'll see, and silver. This, oh, is that silver? Yeah, that is silver. Use that silver. Okay, let's get started because I don't have a lot of time today. My friends are coming over. I still haven't cooked anything. They're coming around 5:30 and it's 3 o'clock already. Let's do this quickly. So I'm taking the light shade, the light pink first. On the outside, like a cut crease. This is like a cut crease, not like a very fine cut crease. Yeah, that's just... Okay, I'll do it, I explain. We'll see. And then just blending. Also, I hope the light's better because I got a ring light. I'm like, I think I can say now I am a YouTuber. So like an official YouTuber thing. The ring light. You can see it in my eyes. It's pretty. And it's like a lot of light. Otherwise I always had to like get up early and shoot all the videos when there was like the sun was still there, and now I can just do it when I'm ready. I can be lazy. Taking this one. Did anyone bake the last video that I posted? Banana muffins? I've been having them every day. They're yum. Now they're finished, but I had one every day. Now this one. So work's been very busy, like this last week. Work at a restaurant and it's been quite busy. Coronavirus coming back to Melbourne. I hope it doesn't come back here in Sydney. I hope it just goes from the world. Just leave. Done. We're done with you, Corona. Leave. I think people like have been at home for too long now and they just want to go somewhere. So there's still social distancing and everything, but there's been a lot of people coming to the restaurant. It's been quite busy, but my workplace is fun. Like, I enjoy working there. I think mostly what I like about like everywhere I've worked, I've only worked because like everywhere I've worked, I stay there for the people, because of the people. And if I've ever left, it's not because of the work, it's because of the people that are there. I think it really matters for me, like my peace of mind. And I want to be able to like get up every day and want to go to work. Even if I'm tired, like I know I'll be tired anywhere. Like I work at a restaurant A or restaurant B or C, but work is the same. I'll be tired. But what matters is if the people are nice, it's more fun and more, you can just get through it. And people at my work are actually good. I think my head chef watches this. I'm not sure. He did watch my baking video, and it's fun working with you. And then I have my friend. She's I think 4 years younger. 4 years younger. She's a total idiot. Nah, she's good. It's nice to have good people around when you work. This is the place that I've worked the longest at. It's been 1 year. And it didn't even feel like it's been 1 year. It just went past so quick. Now I'm gonna use that glitter. Glitter. So the glitter is like on the lid, kind of like a cut crease, but I'm not doing like a fine one, it's just there. That looks cute! This makeup is so my type. I think I need to use my fingers for the glitter. Yeah, that works. So much better. Also putting a little bit of glitter on the bottom lash. More bling bling. More bling bling is better bling bling. I'm gonna do the same pinks here. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna clean that so that I've had a little. My words are getting messed up today, so I have a better edge. So everyone's been telling me, like literally everyone, my family, my fiance's family, my friends, everyone, my cousins, everyone has told me my voice is too low. So I'm trying to speak louder. I hope this one you can hear. If not, I'll just edit my voice. I'm a very shy person, that's why. I think I'm just an introvert when like I'm meeting new people, and once you get to know me, you'll have to tell me to shut up. When you're friends with me, you need to listen to me talk. I'm sitting right in front of a big window. In front of me is the building's car park, and people stare. They're like, what is this girl doing? Crazy. I'm not crazy, people. I'm just having fun. Taking the light pink, dark pink, dark pink. I'm just making this a bit more dark because I really like the dark and light, and I think this needs to be a bit more darker. Cute! You must be thinking that I'm so self-obsessed. Or maybe I am. Do not judge. Told you in my last to last video. Be nice to me. Just a mess. I drop things a lot. This guy at work, every time I drop something, we're like, oh, the man, not again. That's just me. I drop things, but I fix everything. That doesn't mean I drop food and put it back on the plate. No, I don't do that. So I think I'm gonna do white right here in here first, so that it's got like a more of white base, so it looks more silver when I put silver on there. A lot of people also say that I don't introduce myself. I've never introduced myself in my videos. That's because I thought only my friends were gonna watch it. This is actually cool. If I introduce me now and someone tells me you have never introduced yourself, then I know they don't watch all of my videos. Okay. Hi guys! I'm Daman. My full name is Damanjeet Kaurkang. I think that's all the introduction you need. I'm a pastry chef. I did study MBA before studying pastry, and then I was bored and pastry was fun. Sitting in office is boring, so I thought I should just do this. And now this is my pastime. That looks silver enough. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I was about to. This silver. Highlighting my brow bone and all the rest of my face. Should I highlight my whole face with silver today? I've never done that. I think I've got too much silver inside my eyes more than like on the eyelids. Gonna go blind soon. I would ask my parents not to watch this and get worried. I'm fine. Now white eyeliner. Pink, of course. Yeah. My all-time favorite. I'll just dust away all the powder. I'll do my hair and put a lipstick on and come back and show you the final look. Here's the final look. Pink, pink, pink. And I did like a double shade lipstick similar to my eyes. I hope you liked this week's look and come back next week.